Watching this video, you will learn how to model a volleyball in just few minutes. Start by selecting the cube with the left mouse button. Then switch to edit mode by pressing Tab key. Click the right mouse button to open up the vertex context menu and select subdivide. Then in the operator panel below, increase the subdivisions to 5. While at it, also drag the smoothness slider all the way up to 1. Now select the topmost vertex and hold Ctrl key and press plus on numpad 3 times to increase the selection. Then hold down Ctrl and press I to invert the selection. Press X and select vertices to delete them. Now press 3 to enter face selection mode, and box select the side faces. Then hold down Alt key and press C. Select extrude faces along normals. Now left click once you have extruded a bit. Then box select the middle faces. Also extrude these faces along the normals. Now go to Material Properties and select Assign. Then select the left side faces. And then in Material Properties, click on plus sign, New, and Assign. Now select the right side faces. And assign a new material to it as well. Now holding down Shift key, box select the other 2 face groups individually. And press Ctrl plus I to invert the selection. Assign a new material. This will be the border. Now from the pivot point option at top, select 3D cursor. Then press A to select to all, and Shift plus D to duplicate. Then press R180, X and left click to rotate it 180 degrees in X-axis. Press A to select all, and duplicate again. Then press R90, X and left click to rotate it 90 degrees in X-axis. Again press R90, Y and left click to rotate it 90 degrees in Y-axis. Press Shift plus D to duplicate again. Then press R90, Z and left click to rotate it 90 degrees in Z-axis. Again press R90, X and left click to rotate it 90 degrees in X-axis. Now press A to select all, and press M. Then select by distance, to remove unnecessary vertices. Here 76 vertices are removed. Now tab out of the edit mode, and press Ctrl 1, to add a subsurf modifier of subdivisions 1. Then in the modifier properties, lower down the render value, and select apply. Now right click on the mouse, and select shade smooth. Now switch to material preview, and then go to material properties. And now you can select colors for each of them as you like. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. Also, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and ring the bell as well.